Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable TikTok ads tracking from your Squarespace site, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable TikTok ads tracking from your Squarespace site, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website dashboard for the site you want to edit. On the left sidebar, click on Settings. Scroll down and select Advanced. In the Advanced settings, find and click on External Services. Next, look for the option related to TikTok ads. If you have previously integrated TikTok ads tracking, you will see an option here. Disable the TikTok ads tracking feature by toggling it off. After making this change, be sure to save your settings. Next, return to the main dashboard. Click on Marketing in the left sidebar. Select Connected Accounts from the options available. Look for the TikTok integration listed here. If it's connected, you may choose to disconnect it entirely. Confirm your decision to disconnect TikTok from your Squarespace account. Now that you've disabled tracking, it is important to clear your browser cache. This ensures that the changes take effect immediately. You can do this by going to your browser settings. Find the option for clearing browsing data or cache. Select the appropriate time range and confirm. Finally, check your site to ensure TikTok ads are no longer tracking your visitors. You may also want to monitor your site analytics to verify the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.